first discuss importance of trigonometry. Let's see branch of mathematics that deals with angles and the sides of triangles. So we use trigonometry in angle and the triangles, discuss different sides, and also explore trigonometric function like sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. We also use trigonometry in engineering and computer work, like computer graph. We also explore the deeper angles, measurement, and different sides of triangles. So here now, what is trigonometry? Let's see. Branch of mathematics that deals with relationship of angles and the sides of triangles. Here we discuss the relationship of triangles with different sides and its angle. Let's see, here we have a triangle whose are different sides A, B and C. Here C is hypotenuse, B and C is perpendicular, and AB is base of triangle. So now we have an example how to find the trigonometric ratio. Now we discuss how to find trigonometric ratio. So here sine theta is equal to BC over AC, then BC is equal to AP and AC is equal to B. Like that cos theta is equal to AC over AB, so B over C, and tan theta is equal to BC over AC, so it is equal to A over B. Now discuss how to find missing number in trigonometry. Let's see, if we have a triangle whose angle is 27, whose one side is 15 and x is missing, then tan 25 degree is equal to x over 15. We multiply 15 on both sides, then 15 multiply 0.51 is equal to x. 15 multiply 0.51 gets 7.65, so x approximately equal to 7.65. And we have the second triangle whose one side hypotenuse is 18 and its angle is 40. One side is missing, which is y, so simplify cos theta cos 40 is equal to y over 18 according to formula. Then we multiply 18 on both sides, 18 multiply 0.766, then if we multiply 18 by 0.766 we get 13.788, which is approximately the value of y. So this is our today lecture. I hope you understand.